you've gotten a Thrivecart template and you're not exactly sure how to actually get it into your Thrivecart account, which is a very common thing. I remember the first time I had a Thrivecart template that I was trying to get into my account, I was like, how do I do this? And now that I provide templates for other people, I thought it might be helpful to provide a tutorial. It's really not difficult to do. So I've already copied the URL to my template, so hopefully you already have that for yours. And I'm in a test product that I've created, and I'm going to skip straight over to the checkout tab here. So what I'm going to do is, instead of launching the editor, I'm going to go into Browse Gallery. Now, in this instance, I've already got a template in here. I've already got a design in here that has been chosen. So it's going to warn me, do you actually want to do this? Because it's going to erase what you already have. In this instance, actually, it won't do it yet until you choose what you want and like go into the editor. So in this case, I'm going to say, yes, I understand. Nothing has been, no irrevocable damage has been done at this point. So what I'm going to do is go into my templates. And what I need to do, I need to move myself here. So I'm going to click on Import Design. So once I'm in here, import a design, so that if you have a Thrivecart template, it should give you a URL. So I'm going to paste in this URL here, and I'm going to hit continue. And once I do that, it's going to show me, do you want to import the checkout page sand from Visionaries? I don't know why it's not showing me the picture of it. But I'm just going to say, yes, import this design. It's going to prepare the import, and then it's going to give me the imported design. And there you go. It imported it. It imported it in. It will import, depends on how the person who's given you the template has set this up, if they're giving you every step in this process. So like in this case, it's already... the colors are like uniform all the way across. There's the success page is custom built, which is how I've done this template. You might have to do your own success page. So you've got here, you can change the colors if you want to by clicking it. Let's say you click into the background color, change the background color here. You can change the text color over in the sidebar. And that's really all there is to it. It's quite simple. It should automatically preload whatever your template has given you as options. It should automatically preload those in. But if you want to change, like if you don't want the checkout process to be multi-step, which I've said since I created this template, I've created it to be a multi-step process so that we are automatically collecting their email address, so that if you wanted to send them like an abandoned cart email sequence, you would collect that before they when they move on to payment information, it's going to automatically collect their email. So but if you want to change that so that it's all one step, you can just go on behavior. So cart flow, it's currently selected at multi-step. Just hit single step and it will automatically change that over. You can enter if you have bump information here, and you've got all the options here. The only thing that's not showing up here is the coupon code, and that's because this product does not have a coupon selected or that's attached to this particular product. But if you did, then that would also be over here. So you were able to edit all of this. Hopefully that was helpful for you. You can just go into next to the success page, and if for whatever reason you're like, I don't want to use this custom success page, if you have a redirect URL set, so a custom URL, you can choose in the success page, go to edit, and instead of show customizable success page, you're going to choose instead automatically redirect to a success URL and hit save. And you can see now it's going to say customers will automatically be redirected to this page. We're going to hit complete. That will load in here. And now if I go to save and get URL, it will have updated that page to reflect the template. I can go to view checkout, and it will automatically have populated all of this information. There's just one other thing that I want to show you very quickly if you want to change, like where this says test product. So I'm going to go back into edit checkout, and I'm going to show you where you can change the page, the actual page name, as well as like if you want to add the little icon up here, the little favicon, that's what I call it. That's how it's usually described. You can go into, down here on the bottom right, there's this the little lines over here with the little dots. I don't know what that's, it looks like little toggle things. You can click on that and that will go into, do you want to give this page title? So snappy page title. Custom page description, and say, do you want to allow search engines to index this? So if you want this to be searchable, you can select this and it will allow search engines to crawl this page. So I'm going to keep that off. I don't want them to be able to do that. And if you want to select the fave icon here, or if you want to select a social share image, so if someone like shares this on Facebook or something, there's going to be an image that automatically populates in the like a little in like the little tooltip area, so it gives a little preview of what it is. You can upload images, you can upload an icon, you can upload an image here. So if I want to get I've got so many images here, if I want to get like my little logo guy here, I can. And a social share image, let's say, I'm just gonna pick one. If I want this to be my social share image, can hit save. I like to hit save changes every now and then just to make sure that it gets everything. The other thing I didn't show you previously was this is the desktop version. This is the mobile version. So you can see this here. Hit next. It should have kept it on. They'll be redirected to the automatic success page. Hit complete. And hitting save should have automatically re-uploaded some of the repopulated these things here. Sometimes the fave icon is funky here, but we'll reload this and see if it populated. Yeah, snappy page title. It still has the Thrivecart fave icon. That's something that like I've never fully understood. Like, why does it not actually populate? I don't know. It's something that I don't mess with. It is what it is. But it did upload or update the snappy page title instead of having test product there. So there you go. There you have it. I hope this was helpful for you. I hope that you are using Thrivecart for your business. This has been helpful to you. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there is anything else that you would like to see that would be helpful for you, and I will catch you in the next one.